Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about another way we can style and override CSS decorations. So in CSS, there's multiple ways we can style an HTML element. As we've seen before, we can identify the ID, we could use the class, we can use the body. But there's another way that takes up more prioritized way over the ID. And that will be used in an inline style. So we can identify, here's an example of it. So for the H1, we can just style it color as green. And that's the syntax of it. And that's going to override any of the class and styling we have. So for this exercise, we want to, what do we want to do? Make it white. So we want to make the H1 element white. So here we look at this. H1, we want to add style equals, and then we want to do color white, semicolon. And now we can see here is white. And that's it. I have usually generally from what I've seen and talked to other people, you don't want to style in these inline elements. You just generally want to use it all on your style sheet. But that's it. Thank you.